Hi friends, my name is Esther. I am from the blog VictorianLaneFarms.com. Today I'm going to take you with me antiquing and I'm going to show you what I found, so stay tuned. I am at an antique mall in Snohomish, Washington. It is huge in here. I am here to replace an antique that broke recently, and so I am searching for something to hang on my wall. So let's see if I can find something. I'm going all the way in the back here. I notice this beautiful dresser. I love the details of the wood. I have always wanted a rough collie dog since I was a little girl, so this one is really special. I love that one. I can't believe this cabinet is still here. I wanted this several months ago and almost bought it. In the end, I found something bigger. But isn't that beautiful? This lamp reminds me of an old, cozy log cabin. And here in this corner, I am seeing something. This is what I'm looking for. A fireplace mantle with similar details. I think this one is so pretty. What do you guys think? If you've been following me, you know how much I love transferware and ironstone. Look at all these patterns. Here is another antique wall art. I just love this frame. Look at those details. And that wood is beautiful. I found this corner that has garden antiques. This would be so cute on a front porch. I love the way that the booths are decorated. Some of them have color coordinating items together. I love getting inspiration from antique stores like this. This whole area is up my alley. One of my favorite color combinations I love is green and pink. As I am looking at these things, I am taking notes in my mind because there are some things like this that I have found at Goodwill. If you keep your eyes open, you can find good deals at antique stores too. What do you guys think of this? Let me step back and give you guys a better look. I am loving this blush tan color. . I am now on the second floor. This mall is huge. I'm going through here quickly, but I wanted to show you some of the beautiful things I come across, like this bird cage. I'm noticing this antique mirror. I love the details. I want to take a moment and walk down one of the aisles and show you what it looks like. I am on the farthest end of the mall, and it would be easy to spend hours looking at everything. Now I'm going to take you to this corner. I am seeing some more garden furniture and antiques. I especially love these chairs and table. Perfect for sitting outside, drinking iced tea on the porch. I noticed these little white bowls that have a terracotta color, perfect for fall. There is nothing like antique furniture. This wood is beautiful, and I love the details. For some reason, my eyes are drawn to old antique frames, especially the chunky and ornate ones. Do you guys like frames? I'm a thrift store girl, and I have found the cheapest frames, just like the ones I've shown you today. You will not believe how much this desk is. They are asking $300. Is that a deal or what? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? That dresser. It has a marble top. And look at that. This crystal cake stand is unique. It says on top, turn upside down and make a large fruit bowl. Have you seen these before? I I have been looking for a white quilt. This one looks like it's in good condition. I don't see a price tag, so I am going to go check how much it is. These doors off of a cabinet would make a great DIY. You could prop these up behind an entrance table as a nice whimsical touch. Paint them and put them on your wall. And these bed frames could be turned into a bench. At $95 each, that would be a great DIY. Was that antique store amazing or what? So now I'm going to show you some things I found. I'm going to turn the camera around. Look what I found. Just what I was looking for. Loving these crystal knobs. I found this for $50. What a deal. I plan on painting it with Miss Mustard Seed milk paint in the color Boxwood Green. What do you guys think? Did I score a good deal or what? Ended up getting that quilt. It was $20. I just love it. It's got lace, so pretty. Thanks for watching, everyone. You guys have a great week. See you next time. Bye for now.